let's say that you're needing a new car, and you figured out that you can afford about $300 per month payments. So notice I've got in my time value of money calculator negative 300. Negative $300 are going to be going out for you to get this car. Okay, so you went to the bank and you said, okay, what can I afford here? I need a loan. I need a loan. And the bank says, look, I can give you a 60-month, 6% annual rate loan with no down payments. So, what kind of car, how much money can you afford um, to spend on a car to get $300 payments? Got it? So, at that interest rate. So, notice the first thing to notice is I put the negative 300 in here because that's what you're paying. But look, I've got point 0.5 here. Point 0.5 is what I entered here because the annual rate is 6%, right? But the monthly rate would be 1/12 of that. So, what I did was I divided by 12 and got point 0.5 for the annual rate. And it is for 60 periods, 60 months, right? So one of the tricks here is to keep everything in the right periods. If you're doing monthly, make sure you've got a monthly rate for the annual rate. If you're doing yearly, the annual rate would be the annual rate. So the number of periods would have to be equal to the number of, would be you have to do the right number of periods based on the rate that you're getting. So if it's yearly, um, then you would put the years in here and the annual rate. But if it's monthly, you would put the months in here because that's how many periods it would be. But instead of an annual rate, you'd have to divide that by 12. Okay, so when we do that, we're looking at what is the present value? What can I currently afford? I'm going to click on present value here, and you can see I could afford about a $15,000 car. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go start shopping for my $15,000 car. And when the dealership tries to give me a loan and they make payments higher or they make the interest rate lower or higher, then hey, go back to the bank and take that loan.